Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok ads, and in this video I'll show you complete TikTok ad account setup. Let me show you how. So the very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our browser. In this tutorial I'm using Yahoo search engine. However, you can use any type of browser available to you. So once you open up a browser, go ahead and make sure you come to the search web right here and type in ads.tiktok. Then hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the first result right here. Click on that. Now you are here. Log into your TikTok for business account. Enter here to access TikTok Ads Manager, Business Center, and TikTok World. They have an account yet. So right here, you will need to click on sign up right here. So click on sign up. Get started with TikTok for Business. You have got business goals. TikTok for Business is built to help you reach them. Create an account in few simple steps to start growing your business today. So go ahead and enter your email address right here and enter your login password. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter my mail address. Having entered my mail address, I'll go ahead and enter the password. So having entered your your email address and your password, go ahead and make sure you check on this box right here. Then come down below right here, click on sign up. Then you are here. Select two objects that are the same shape. So right here, you have to select 1 and 2, then hit on confirm. So a verification code will be sent to your mail. So I'm going to go ahead and check my mail. So open up my Yahoo mail. Then here we go. This is the verification code. Open up the mail and I'll go ahead. So here is the code right here. S7KV. So I'll go back here. S7KV and go back to my mail. ES. Then ES. So here you go. Tell us about your business name, your URL, country, currency. So you have to make sure you set up your billing options as far as this is concerned. So for you to set up your billing option, make sure you follow the right step right here. So right here, go ahead and enter your business name right here. So enter your business name. If you have a website, you can enter your website URL right here. Then you can go ahead and choose industry right here. So whatever describe your business is what you need to choose right here. So in this regard, I'm going to choose e-commerce for my own sections right here. I'm going to choose e-commerce. So under the e-commerce, there are sub information right here under the e-commerce. So you can choose anyone that is related to your business, or better still, you can go and click on order right here. So you have so many orders that you can just choose right here. So once you choose, go ahead and select your country right here. So make sure you choose your country. So once you choose your country, then your billing currency should be your country currency. So once you choose that, then the address and then the time zone should be your country time zone. Then here you have to change from here and make sure you choose Nigeria, which is my country. So make sure you choose your country right here because you're going to buy the phone number. Then go ahead and enter your phone number right here. So once you enter your phone number, click on here to agree, then click on here to agree, then hit on continue. And the verification code is going to be sent to your phone number. Go ahead and get the code. So once you enter the code, it's going to confirm. So here you go. So you have your new TikTok account manager set up right here. So you can click on skip for now right here. Then you have your ad manager dashboard. Then you have your campaign, you have tools, analytics. So you can explore from different tabs right here. Campaign tools. So these are available tools right here that you can use in your TikTok ad manager. So under the tools, you have audience tools, you have audience manager, you have comment manager, creative library, instant pay, video editor, etc. There are a lot of tools right here that you can use them. You have analytics right here whereby you can monitor your ad insight, like custom report, experiment manager, attribution analytics, audience insights, comment insight, creative inspiration, video insight. And here you have different objectives as far as ad is concerned. So you can decide to reach a lot of people for ad objective. You can choose traffic objective, which can be manual or smart campaign or search campaign. Then you can choose video view right here, which allow you to get more views for your video on your TikTok page. Then community interactions, then app promotion. If you have any app that you want to drive traffic into, you can use app option, lead generation, sales, etc. So these are the objective campaign as at the time of making this video. In my future tutorial, I will explain all these objective campaign one after the other. If you don't really want to miss anything about TikTok ads, consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.